Hey everyone! Just got cut off in my last live. Happy Valentine's Day. I wanted to let everyone know that there is a giveaway happening in the VIP today for a Galentine's coffee date. So if you look down in the post below, you will see that there is a chance to win a $5 coffee gift card for you and a $5 coffee gift card for your Galentine. And you can go have coffee together, or you can go all by yourself, because sometimes I like to be my own Galentine. Not gonna lie. So when my daughter gets home today, we are going to be, I always find a way to put Usborne into like all of our holidays here. And with Easter coming up, I thought this was like a really fun and unique little prize that can be, given, for like doing something good at school, or it can go in an Easter basket or whatever. But I just got $750 worth of new releases. Yeah, those were big boxes. And in it, we got the children's baking kit. We were just talking in the VIP the other day about the Start to Cookbook, which is one of my favorite books that Usborne has. It's kind of like a hidden gem. Not many people know about the Start to Cookbook. And I'm not going to lie, I don't really use it for my kids. I use it for myself. I'm not a good cook. And I've never cooked from scratch. Hey, Amy, happy Valentine's Day. I've never cooked from scratch, ever. And I got the Start to Cookbook, and they've got bread from scratch, and they've got pizza dough from scratch. And some moms out there are probably like, yeah, obvi. No. Pizza dough from scratch is delicious. And so the Start to Cookbook is so fantastic. So I got this children's baking, and it's so adorable. It comes with the little metal, what do you call these things? Cookie cutters. I look so tired. I was like, oh, I look good. I'm going to go live. And now I'm like, no, bad choice. These little cookie cutters. Boom! Erin, this is all for you. Maybe soon we'll have a cake decorating book. And then we got the star. And this little thing is, hi, Lucy. So sweet. What are you and Lucy doing for Valentine's Day? By your lonesomes. So I don't know what this is called. Neoprene? Is that something else? But this thing is so cute for little hands. Super duper. And then in the kit is this baking book. And I know people are like, oh, I can get like, I'm so tired. I can't even think of the word. I can get a cookbook anywhere. I can get a baking book anywhere. But there's something about Usborne books. They're Amy, I know it's a roller, but like, what is it made out of? Plastic? I don't know. It just feels so good. I don't know what it is. Like, this has like a rubbery texture to it, and this, I don't know. But this book is so adorable. So when Maisie gets home today, there is like a whole getting started thing. I think this is great for reluctant readers because there's not a ton to... Silicone! You're so good! Erin makes and decorates cakes. But that's not what she went to school for. But she does such a good job. So she'll know all our words, all our jargon that we need. Talks about breaking eggs and beating eggs and sifting flour and all of that good stuff. So there's, good old Ice Star cookies. This is what we're making today. Look at how cute. Hold on, how do I do this? Lemon spiral cookies, but they have a pink spiral. Super fun. At first I was like, how do they make those? Because I don't know how they make them, but they layer 2 different colored doughs. Super fun. And I love how there's like a picture for every step to help non-readers or beginning readers know what's going on. But I love the spiral And then we're going to cut them, and then we're going to use the heart cutter. Hopefully something magical will happen. So you can use lemon zest, but it says you can use like other flavors. I have a hazelnut that I think I might try. Look how cute. Ah, ginger snap cookies with icing. So fun. Look at these pretty pink cookies. Like, what a perfect little book for spring. Chocolate orange hearts. Delightful. Look at this. Ready? Strawberry shortcake. And I'm like, oh, what do they have you get? Prepackaged shortcake? No. This isn't on my level. You actually like make the shortcake. I didn't even know you could make shortcake. But I guess you can. So you can make little strawberry shortcakes. Oh man. Good old chocolate cupcakes. Look at this. Lemon drizzle cake. So yummy. And like you literally use real lemons to make this lemon cake. Who'da knew? Cherry chocolate brownies. Gosh, so good. Look at this. Little cheese scones. I didn't know you could put cheese in scones. I knew you could put chocolate chips in them. Didn't really know you could put cheese in them. Cheddar cheese. Delightful. Pear and cranberry pies. And then you've got decorating ideas. So we like to cook all the time. I try not to bake all the time because I would eat it all the time. But we like to cook all the time. I especially like to cook in the summer when the kids are home all day long. Because I just feel like it passes the time really well. So this cute little kit is $22.99. So you get this awesome roller, which on its own would probably be $14.99. Silicone, Erin Faye. The two little cutters in the book. So that's what we're going to be doing later today. So cute. I thought I'd show it. I wish I had shown it before Valentine's, but I just got it. I just got it this week. So I thought this was really cute for an Easter basket. Now granted, I mean, it's going to make your Easter basket a little more expensive than maybe an Easter basket should. I don't know. I usually put one big thing in my Easter basket and then a few little things. So this would be really cute in an Easter basket or whatnot. So I know we had just been talking about Nina Goulet. Mom, aren't you supposed to be at work? What's happening right now? So I know we had talked about the Start to Cookbook, and I said, ooh, I just got the children's baking kit, and I wanted to show you what the inside looked like. So you can see the pictures, and it's simple ingredients. It's stuff that you probably have in your house anyway. It's not like crazy stuff. So hopefully you enjoy it. So remember, Galentine giveaway is happening right now. So go ahead and find the I Love Lucy posts down below where they're baking. And I think that's the one where they're baking and shoving chocolates into their orifices. And so tag a friend and tell them why they are your Galentine. And if they are not in the VIP, go ahead and ask them if they want to be. Invite them in, and then one Galentine. Look at my hair, even looks like a heart. What's happening right now? One Galentine pair will win a little coffee date on me. Okay. All right, everyone, have a great day. If you've got kids and they're coming home, I don't know. I'm going to try to put my phone away for the rest of this day. I think that's what you're supposed to do on Valentine's Day. Get off social media for a little bit. And actually give your kids your full attention. That's what I'm going to do. And bake some stuff and get some snuggles in and get some coloring in. Maybe a little homework. I don't think you should have to do homework on Valentine's Day. Or your birthday. Or, I don't know, Tuesdays. So, okay, I don't know. All right. So have a great day, and I will see everyone back in the VIP really soon. Love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.